Welcome to our second week in the van. We are Michael and Acacia, and 1 month ago we purchased this panel van.
With only 3 days to temporarily kit out the van, we hit the road for the next 2 months.
Join us as we figure out life on the road full time as we travel across South Africa.
This week we decided to head up the west coast of South Africa, stopping at 3 coastal towns with stunning beach camps.
We arrived at Yzerfontein and headed down to the beach for a windy but beautiful sunset over the sea. Then headed back to camp for some supper.
We also took a cycle around the town, being a great way to see a little bit more. This is South Africa's longest sandy beach, stretching 25 kilometers, with our camp tucked behind the sand dune.
We then made our way to Lamberts Bay, skipping a lot of the coast with the intention of stopping at some of these places on the way back.
Camp was situated with the perfect view over the beach. We set up camp for a few days where we watched pink luminescent sunsets over the sea.
Golf course. We're just going to have a quick game before we head to the next camp. After some golf, we made our way back down the coast to our last stop being St Helena's Bay, another beach camp with a view over still waters and boulders.
The beach was covered in boulders, so we decided to take a float around on the Lilo.
Thanks for joining us. See you next week Sunday.